Yo traders, what's up? Welcome to this part of Trading Camp. I'm Solix and this is part 6. And in this part we are going to talk about liquidity. Finally. So without wasting time, let's hit the chart. Look at this 3 patterns. Okay, I talked about this one before in a specific video. There's a link above my head. But as you can see, for example, I have something like this. Okay, and this low took orders from this low and this low took orders from this low, so the whole area has no money. That's why we are going to take this as a liquidity point. Let me change the color. Yeah, we can expect something like this. Okay, this is liquidity. But what about this one? Guys, this is TR, and we have main highs. Actually, we have same highs and we have same lows. Okay, but in TR or training range, we can have liquidities from below and we can have liquidities from above. How to figure it out with main trend? For example, we are in a uptrend. Yeah, that's obvious. So we are going to take this one as a liquidity. You are going to take this as a liquidity swap here, and then we can trade it for long trades. Okay, but if we in a downtrend, something like this, yeah, we are gonna take the high as a liquidity. For example, something like this. Yeah, this is liquidity sweep, and then we can go down. In this shape, we are gonna take the main lows, or an opposite way, we are gonna take the main highs as a liquidity. This is liquidity. You see, this is our liquidity. We are gonna take this as a liquidity swap. Uh, if I want to show you the opposite of this one, is gonna be something like this. It's gonna be something like this, and as you can see, this is liquidity swap. But let's see the chart. Let's start with CPs. Okay. For example, look at this one, guys. You see, this is a CP. Yeah, this high went to this one, even this one. So the whole area is empty, and this high is gonna be my liquidity. You can see liquidity swap here, and we can trade here. Okay, what about the others? There is too many examples. Oh, look at this one. This one is perfect, guys. Orders from this low took orders from this low. This low took orders from this one. And you see, lows are gathering orders from the last low. Okay? That's why the whole area is empty. And we are going to take the last low as a liquidity. Can you see this? Liquidity sweep here. And then this is what happened. Can you see the whole trend here? This high, this high, this high, this high, this high. So when we move back up, there is no orders. This is empty area. This is a empty area. So I'm gonna remove it all and take this as a liquidity. Later you can see, guys, liquidity sweep once. I don't want to trade it for second time or third time, but look at this one. Liquidity sweep, and then boom, a downtrend here. This is a lot, guys. Let's go to the next shape. Guys, I talked about liquidities, okay? I talked about TR. As you can see, there is same highs here and there is actually same lows here, okay? But look, our trend is downtrend, okay? So I'm gonna take the high as a liquidity, and as you can see, this is liquidity sweep, and then we start to moving down. Or look at this one. We are in a downtrend again. This is our lows, and this is our highs until here. As you can see, we are in a downtrend, so I expect liquidity from above. And as you can see, This is liquidity sweep, and then price starts to moving down. And look at this one, guys. We are in a downtrend, and we expect liquidity from above. It didn't happen, and we went down from below. If you take this as a liquidity and just buy right here, you see, you are gonna lose money. Why? Because we are in a downtrend, so we don't expect liquidities from below, and we expect liquidities from above. So that's why you have to be careful about this one. And let's go to the next shape, the third shape, guys. The third shapes is specific. Why? Because, for example, we are in a trend like this. Okay, I expect this low to make a new high for me, or this high to make a new low for me. Okay, that's why I'm gonna take this as a liquidity. If you see something like this, don't take this as a liquidity. This is not a liquidity, guys. We have to take a important area as a liquidity. Okay, and if we make a new high, that means this point is important. So I'm going to take this as a liquidity. Look at this one. We went all the way up from this low and we made a new high. As you can see, this low is a liquidity right now. Before this high, I didn't want to take this as a liquidity, but right now it is a liquidity. And as you can see, this liquidity just worked. Okay, look at this one, guys. This is a liquidity, as you can see, and this is liquidity too. Why? Because we moved down from both of these highs. We made a new low. These highs are important. And as you can see, guys, let me remove this. Can you see? There is liquidity sweep here, and then a downtrend. And in this one, we have liquidity sweep here too. Let me zoom in. You see, this is liquidity sweep. It is little, it is small, but it is liquidity sweep. And as you can see, we had a downtrend again from here. That's it. Thank you for your time and thank you for your eyes. Subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Love you all. Peace out.